Grandma Wiggy, look at her. She's very close to the piano.
I dare you to go stand on the other side. If you don't do it, I'll do it. Okay.
Obnoxious. It's so musical with the tail. Yeah.
Go join in.
What happens in this bowl?
Usually there's water. But right now, there's a man inside
A teeny
a bucket. People clap for that?
That's not right.
I wonder what's going on in that doggy parade. I'm really hungry. Oh my god. Oh my god. It sees other dogs and wants to get up, but it's too fat.
Now he doesn't want to talk.
No, he really doesn't. I like bad dogs. Baby dogs.
Grown up dogs. Grandma dogs.
Chloe.
Chloe. Touch her.
No, she's gonna leave again. Oh, she's not leaving. Oh, there you go. I'll be back though.
I'll be back though.
Chloe.